Hi, I'm Francesca. Welcome to episode 6 of Can I Get My Small Channel Monetized? I'm currently outside. If you are new here, I have started a YouTube series called Can I Get My Channel Monetized to see how long it will take for me to get monetized and be a part of this it's so exciting, YouTube partnership program. Now the requirements you need: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Now it may seem like a lot, but it's obtainable. If anyone else can do it, you can do it too. Besides this series, my channel consists of single mother lifestyle videos. I speak about lifestyle as a single mom. I have real life conversations on my reality as a single mother, as a low income mom who lives in low income apartment. So I speak on a lot of reality. If you're new here, make sure that you check out my channel. If it intrigues you, like my content, make sure to subscribe. So on episode 5, which was last week, my analytics were 977 subscribers with 152 watch hours. So that's not too bad. I'm not too concerned with the subscribers, but the watch hours is what we need to work on. Now this week's analytics, I have 985 subscribers with 164 watch hours. So we're creeping up little by little to 200 watch hours. I gained 8 subscribers this week. So guys, I was very busy this week. I uploaded 4 videos on my YouTube channel besides my last episode of Can I Get My Channel Monetized. So I was very busy. Let's talk briefly about the videos that I uploaded. The first video that I uploaded, I spoke about how happy I was to finally get scheduled to work. Super happy. My morning went by smoothly. The girls went out to daycare and school, and I got to work on time. But the main objective of that video was that I was scheduled to work, and that video did pretty good compared to my other videos. All arrows were green, pointing up, and I got a little over 230 views. So I was proud of myself, for showing my true colors and showing my true emotions on how I felt that morning. Now the second video that I uploaded was something sort of a morning routine with my kids, me cooking breakfast for my babies, and giving tips on how to increase your breast milk supply for breastfeeding moms out there, of course. And that video only got 37 views. Although it's 37 views, that's 37 souls that clicked on my video and actually watched it. So even if it was one person watching my video, I will always be grateful. I'm super grateful for people watching my videos. It doesn't matter how many people it is. Of course, the more people it reaches, the better. But if I can change one person's life or make their day better, that's the main objective of why I do what I do. The next upload that I posted on my YouTube channel was why I stopped cannabis smoking. Listen, I'm a home mom out here. I can't be walking around blind, deaf, and dumb. And if you watch that video, you'll know why I'm saying this. So go ahead and go watch that video. It's very funny. But I had to let it be known I am not a cannabis smoker. All right. Last but not least, I uploaded a video about having a tough day as a mom. It is so tough being a single mom, but you learn how to live like that. You learn how to maneuver around issues. You learn how to deal with your babies. You just learn to live life as a single mom. You learn your kids, you know what they like, what they don't like, what triggers them. So it makes things a little easier when you know how to work around things and you learn your kids. My word of advice for this week is to upload. And before you go, the most important thing is before you upload, don't set it to public right away. This is one thing that I learned watching other creators. Put it on private for at least for a few hours. I understand that you worked hard editing, recording. You took your sweet time making sure that the video came out lovely. But guess what? You gotta let YouTube take its time to do what it do. Make sure that you're using tags. Make sure that you're renaming your file name. That's most important as well. So don't choose public, choose private. Schedule your video. Change your file name to what the title is going to be about, and use tags. What else? That's it. That's all the advice I got for you for today. I'm here in front of the Nike store. As you can see, I got my kids some sneakers, but I got them the wrong size. Their feet is growing tremendously fast. So we're gonna do that. Thank you guys for joining me on episode 6, and I'll see ya on the next one.